Achha, so we talk about work, spoken about personal life and everything. You also have an amazing lifestyle. And we follow your travel pictures and हम करते हैं follow travel pictures because you like to travel, right?
I like traveling.
You
I don't actually post at all
तो
about my
एक
travel.
एक आदत निकल जाती
Sometimes,
है
हाँ.
हाँ एक आदत निकल जाती है
You're right.
पता चल जाता है
Yeah.
ऐसा भी नहीं लेकिन
Yeah.
ये है कि but okay so that's also I something to tell women and encourage women to not give up on their lifestyles as they're growing older because that's also what a lot of women do and how
How? Yeah.
how because when they're hitting their 40s and after 40s and when they hit their 50s and especially post 50 they kind of the knees are hurting and the body
Yeah.
aches are happening and perimenopause is hitting
Yeah.
and the kids have either flown the nest or they're married or they're gone so there's an empty nest syndrome पढ़ने चले गए वापस ही नहीं आए whatever and there's this kind of कर लिया हो गया what is left in life now so you give up on yourself and you kind of slow down
Right.
and Myra even in our dramas the women post 50 are invisible they don't exist they're either mothers or they're mothers-in-law or they're nani dadis or some khala puppy they're not individual women protagonists like who are shown to be in that age group so women generally become invisible at that age
Yeah.
and health I think takes the biggest toll at that time
Yeah. I mean, look at Bushra Ansari. Look at
Yeah.
Bushra Appa.
yeah
She lives her life,
absolutely
and it's the most inspiring thing.
Absolutely.
She's a legend, no doubt. But for
Yeah.
me, like as a woman, she's just Atika.
yeah
You know, I mean, I want them to play themselves almost
yeah
in our dramas.
for sure
Because wow, that's the kind of life.
Bilkul.
I mean, I look at them, I look at Atika. Every time I speak to Atika, I feel inspired.
yeah
Every single time.
yeah
She is always working, she's always rooting for you actually. You know? She's always messaging you and celebrating you. That's another thing.
Yeah.
Women celebrating each other,
Absolutely,
you know?
absolutely.
So we'll come to that later. But so these people like Bushra Ansari, her, I've seen that around me in the industry. Whoever little I know from this age bracket,
yeah
they're thriving and they're doing so well.
yeah
They look after themselves. They travel a lot,
Yeah.
which is amazing.
absolutely
They all have children. They've all also done their mommy duties. But once the kids have gone, they've actually bloomed even more.
reinventing yourself kind of resetting
Right. I don't know where that comes from. I think it has to come from a love for yourself.
absolutely
है ना?
absolutely and
Because
there's nothing wrong with that
nothing at
Yeah,
all.
that is the
Because
thing.
actually, Abhi, while I was talking,
Yeah.
I was like, what is similar between these two? Self-love.
self-love and there's a fine line between self-love and vanity
Oh, 100%.
but self-love is very important
Absolutely.
for sure absolutely
Because जो आप कह रही है ना कि लाइफस्टाइल कैसे ना, भाई जब आपको अपना आप अच्छा लगेगा,
yeah
तो आप अपने बारे में सोचेंगे. आप कहेंगे कि can I take this break? Should I go here?
yeah
Should I maybe take a all-girls trip?
yeah
You know, stuff like
happy
that.
markers
Happy markers.
yeah so music is a happy marker for you
Yes.
what else
So yeah, traveling. Actually, I've traveled a lot also because of Salim.
right
I used to take my time with Azlan. You know?
Yeah.
But I never understood कि आप काम के अलावा क्या time लेते हैं. I never understood that, by the way. There was no such thing as holiday. There was holiday with Azlan,
Right.
which was set for the summers. We go to LA, we stay there, and we come back. But ever since I've known Salim, his friends are regular travelers
Right.
who would rather travel than buy a car.
Right.
Travel, then
There's so much value to that,
Yeah,
that
he believes that.
Not everybody realizes. that
realizes
there's so
it.
much value to that. Yeah.
So literally, I mean, there will be times where let's say there is some festival happening, and they'll be like, okay, we're going for 3 days. I'm like, how does
Tomatina festival.
we were just in Berlin actually
Really?
in August, yeah.
Huh.
And it was insane. It was just amazing. Before that, we've traveled a lot, and it's a bunch of us friends, you know. And I understood the value of that break that you get,
Yeah.
of traveling with friends, of something I never did, Amna. I used to say, I've seen the whole world, but I haven't seen it. I've gone everywhere, but I haven't seen anything. All these places I used to go to Paris, this, that. काम खत्म, बस होने वाला है और हमारी flight है.
वापस. हाँ.
But that,
Yeah.
nothing is going anywhere. Aslan will be fine if I
Yeah.
take a day or two off.
Yeah.
But that was just never in my head.
No, somehow when you're traveling with children, you're traveling for them.
Yeah, also just when, I don't know, I never understood, like, if I'm traveling for work, it's okay. But a holiday means that I'm taking away from my child. Guilt.
Yeah.
So that's another thing I've sort of come around. And I think, yes, now traveling is something that I do enjoy. I really like being with my girls.
Yeah. Girl group. Yeah.
Girl group.
They're fabulous.
Yeah, they're my
Absolutely.
childhood
Yeah,
friends,
yeah.
and I really, really love being with them. And yeah, it's really, really. I have 2 puppies now. Did I tell you that?
No. Okay.
Ah, that's random, but yeah, okay.
No, that's lifestyle. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's also part of being happy. Those
Yes,
are happy markers.
yes.
Pets are happy markers for sure.
They are.
Yeah.
They are.
What breed do you have?
I've got one jungly Maltipoo,
Okay.
and I've got one thoroughbred Maltipoo.
Okay.
Yeah, jungly Maltipoo is my baby. Amazing.
Okay.
Thoroughbred Maltipoo is also a cutie.
Do they have names?
Yes.
Yeah.
So my girl is Betty,
Okay.
like Betty Davis,
Okay.
and my
Does she have the eyes?
yeah.
Okay.
And I was watching a Betty Davis documentary when I got her, and my boy is Ernie from Ernest Hemingway.
Okay. A bit deep going.
Yeah, I mean, my friend Naru said, तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आई?
हाँ.
तुम्हारी तो कुत्तों को होना चाहिए था बंटी और बबली या रॉकी और रानी या फिर जय और वीरू.
हाँ.
मतलब तुम क्या कूल बन रही हो? मैंने कहा अल्लाह नरू, आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ दैट. अब कोई आएगा तो फिर मैं उसका कुछ नाम बसंती
ऐसा
टाइप
रखूंगी.
रखूं,
हाँ, इसी टाइप.
you know?
संती टाइप.
हाँ, because those are my favorite characters, you know. Yeah. So Ernest Hemingway, because also I was deep into documentaries at that time. Anyway, whatever.
Yeah. Okay, but coming full circle now
Yes.
to lifestyle and,
Yes.
and traveling or even having puppies and
Yeah.
all. You need energy.
Yes.
And even for travel, you need energy. And with time, you realize that energy to nikalti ja rahi hai. So again, reinforcement that we need to pump up the energy and keep it
Absolutely.
high all the time.
Absolutely.
And for that, we need to eat healthy. I predict that you will be going to the gym soon. That's by the way.
You're predicting it,
Yeah,
right?
I am. Because
I have a
I was
feeling.
like this. I was like, मैं तो कभी जिम जा ही नहीं सकती. But then जब muscle loss शुरू, muscle कभी था ही नहीं. लेकिन जब एहसास हुआ कि जी घुटने जा रहे हैं, तो strength training.
Yeah, that's what I've heard. I've
And
heard
it's
that
like,
that
you know,
is
that
it.
is that is the turning point when you
Yeah.
realize, okay, I need strength training, and then you need to sort of really take your vitamins
Yeah.
seriously.
Yeah.
You take your calcium seriously. Did you know that 1 in every 2 women in Pakistan is calcium deficient?
Yes, I do know that.
And that's a really huge and staggering number.
It's a huge, huge number. And I'm not sure why that is. Maybe we don't get enough in the kind of food that we eat.
We don't.
I'm not sure what exactly it is. But yeah, so at this, and again, calcium stops getting absorbed also from things like milk and stuff like
Absolutely,
that. So it's
absolutely.
actually important that you do take some sort of a supplement of calcium,
Bilkul.
you know. And we don't realize how suddenly your muscles start giving up on you.
Because bone strength is what's going to keep you standing.
Yes.
And, you know, the bones become, I think even pregnancy,
Oh.
it depletes your calcium. I'm not a
Yes.
doctor, I don't know, but मैंने ये सुना है
Right.
कि हड्डियों में से जान निकल जाती है, you know, और निकल भी जाती है, you know, और फिर वो वापस भी डालनी पड़ती है.
Right.
So,
Right.
And then, you know, when older age falls,
Yeah.
I was told that it's not that you fall and break your bone. The bone breaks first. and it causes a fall because the bone becomes so brittle without calcium.
So you're absolutely right. So, remember I had a fall